Hey y'all. So y'all already know who it is. It's Steph and Skies. We in a little store, whatever. Try and get an air fryer. Cause we gonna see how these things work and what's the hype about them and how are you frying food with air? It just doesn't make sense. So we got this air fryer. We in the store right now. We about to pick one out. We're gonna see how this go. Come on, say hi. No?
No.
You're not gonna say hi?
No.
A little so. We waiting on daddy now. Okay, I'm not going under there. I'm a little bit too tall for that. Alright, so we are the air fryers. Okay. So which one did you plan on getting? Cause I got this Ninja.
That's the one I saw.
The Chefman.
This is the one I saw.
Which one are you planning on getting?
The Ninja.
Today?
Yeah. I want the Ninja.
Okay. So.
Ooh, they got that one right here, the Gourmia one, the $79.99.
Ain't that the one you sent me?
Is it?
Yes, that's the one you sent me.
The one I sent you. You right, baby.
Don't touch me. Hold on, but which one was it?
What does it matter for? It's right there.
It does matter.
All right, let me check mine.
Hold on.
This should be text messages.
Hold on.
Hold on.
What size is this joint?
Oh, let's check the
Hold on, which one you want to get? This one?
Hold on. Let me check the text messages, baby.
Let me see.
Hey, yeah, here you go. Yeah, what's that?
It was the Chefman.
No, the gourd. The gourd. It was the gourd. Right here.
Which one? The Gourmia?
Yeah, the Gourmia 6 quart.
I don't even see no Gourmia.
Baby, we were just looking down at it.
Oh, but that one look open.
Does it?
Okay, hold on, let me see. Hold on, pull it out. Pull it out.
Oh, you want to pull it out, baby?
Kamari, we obviously need evidence to show. Never mind, don't worry about it.
Mommy, come on here.
Okay, hold on. We gotta get something first, baby. Let me see. It look open. Like somebody been using it.
Hopefully it wasn't like a display or something.
This one has really good reviews. It looks large as a mess.
It looks bigger than that one right here.
Which one? Yeah, way bigger than that one.
I think it's about the same. Oh, look at her.
She want a fridge.
No, that's the wine fridge.
That's what I'm saying. Me too, boo.
Oh, yeah, they on these.
Has it? Ooh, it's huge.
That don't take. Hey, forget using the stove.
Okay, nobody's gonna stop using the stove, babe. Don't go too crazy.
I ain't going too crazy. I'm going just right.
All right.
Like my man Tracy Morgan.
So I think we're about to get this Gourmia digital air fryer. So extra. So extra.
Daddy?
Alright y'all, got this air fryer. I'm about to take it home tonight and we're gonna do some more relaxing and enjoying our weekend. And then tomorrow we're gonna shoot a video, frying some chicken. It's about to be lit. Seatbelt. Alright y'all, so we finally got home. And now we got the air fryer. We have this air fryer. Okay, we're gonna unbox it. It's the one we bought is the Gourmia digital, what is it?
It's right here at the top.
Digital air fryer.
6 quarts. Wait, my head was in there. 6 quarts.
So we got, and it says with AeroCrisp technology for up to 80% less fat. And there's a recipe book in here, so we're gonna go ahead and box it for you guys. Alright, lit. So when you open it, it comes with this nice booklet. And then there's a little card that tells you can register your air fryer, as most appliances do. And then there's the handbook. No oil frying. This is the cookbook. Let's see.
You may support hours Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Please, that's unnecessary.
Is it? It's good to know.
Oh, they got some nice recipes in here. They have nice recipes. They have sweet potato fries with sriracha mayonnaise, cheesy garlic and herb. All right, cool. Well,
let me see some here.
What we did, we went to go get some nice little freezer food. This thing is huge, by the way. We got some nice. How do you open it? We got some nice freezer food. We got some fries and some chicken nuggets that we're gonna put in here. Oh,
I like this. Cheddar scallion biscuits. You can make scallion biscuits in here. Ooh, this is good.
Oh, lit. There's a button.
That looks good.
Okay. So, I guess the point is to put this stuff. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna wash. We're gonna go ahead and wash this part out. And then we're going to, I guess it's supposed to be like your fry basket. So we're gonna wash this part out. And then we're gonna come back with our fries and chicken nuggets.
Now we have the nuggets.
We got the air fryer plugged in.
And we are ready to get air frying.
So I'm assuming that you're just supposed to follow the directions that are already on the bag. So we got some Purdue nuggets, the frozen nuggets. Let's turn this thing on.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, it's pretty.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna swing this way.
Oh, then you can set your time. So you got your temperature. I guess it's a whole touchscreen joint. So you got your temperature. What's this thing?
Well, that looks like the time right there, like 15 minutes.
This is not a timer. What's this?
Ooh, you get this set.
Oh, these are preset.
Yeah.
Oh.
Of course you got.
Oh, lit.
Pizza.
So it got pizza. You can cook pizza in this thing, I guess. Shrimp, chicken, fish, chicken.
What you got on your side?
I'm gonna guess that's a cake.
Cake.
Bacon.
I got pizza. And I got steak. Oh, we can cook steak, baby. We can cook our steak in here.
Babe, we're not cooking steak in this thing.
You know, forget the nuggets. This is just a steak.
Alright, nah, babe. Those steaks, we're gonna put those on the stove. Alright. Okay. So, let's pull this out.
Yank, yank. Alright, so look, we did wash it, of course. Throw these nuggets in there. Oh, you know what? Let me do like a little fancy.
What was fancy about that?
It's just the way how you toss it in.
Or whatever. Alright, so it goes off when you pull the thing out.
Which is safe. So they're playing safe with that. That way nothing happens to you.
And on the bag for the nuggets.
Oh,
it doesn't go before. So what should we do?
Just do the max. Max out.
Alright, max out. Alright, we're gonna do 400 for 15 minutes.
Let's see what happens.
Go. And then we just press the play. Alright, y'all. We'll be back in 15. Give us a moment.
Okay, everybody.
Alright, y'all.
We don't know what's going on. I'm smelling it, right? It smells like it's cooking. It really do. But we still a little nervous. You know, first time for everything, you know.
Only been in there for 9 minutes.
But
It smells done. We don't know. We're gonna pop it open.
You pop it open. Go ahead.
Huh?
Pull it open.
Alright, let me pause it.
No, don't pause it. Just pull it out.
No, you gotta pause it.
You didn't pause it, did you? Did you? It paused?
Pause the machine.
There's a pause button on
yes.
here? I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm a little ignorant to this.
Oh
I can't see it in the oven.
I mean, it's sizzling.
Sizzle.
Oh, it smells good. It smells hot. Ew, it burnt my nose hairs.
Ready? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna be breeze, you know. I'm in this.
Is that how you figure out if it's hot?
I do.
Say, go get a fork or something.
Oh yeah, that's right.
They look done. Ooh, camera all fogged up. Pull it out of there. Don't cut it in there. Put it on a plate.
That looks good. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that there.
But you're gonna taste it though.
When you come out, you do.
Is it hot?
Hot.
Alright, y'all. So we're gonna try to do some fries.
I can sit down.
That's right. You need to sit down.
Let me finish the yapping. Make cabbage.
So how long did it say?
You.
This is,
You.
For a full sheet, it was at 400. It's at 400 degrees, and we had to do it for 25.
We're just gonna put it on 20. It's probably gonna finish in 10 anyway. Excuse me.
We burnt the fries like real bad. Let me be the first. Well, I'm not the first. Crystal definitely said it before me. You know, we did burn the fries, but we burnt the mess out of these fries. So, you know, this is the first time we ever used the air fryer, of course.
Yeah.
We're definitely showing y'all what
They
we
mad
are
crispy,
doing.
son. They mad crispy.
And yo, son, them jumps burnt, son.
They mad crispy, son.
You know,
They
them
mad
jumps burnt.
crispy. Facts. These are
But
chips. Okay.
doesn't mean that, you know, over time that we're not gonna get good enough to use the air fryer.
We will be back with another video, and we will be better at using the air fryer. But in the meantime, we done burnt these suckers up. If you really want an air fryer, we definitely recommend it. If you want this one, this is a good one too. I don't know how the other ones work. We haven't used any other ones, but we definitely recommend air fryers. They're much faster than the oven. So like if you have like any freezer foods, you can cook them super fast in this thing.
It's not much of a preheat. Everything is pretty much like already done. So as soon as you turn it on and put it in, it starts up automatically.
It gets the going, okay? It heats up really fast. So get yourself an air fryer. We're also gonna do a video like with just like regular poultry that we season ourselves. So maybe that'll be a little better.
I said we do the steak.
I'm not putting a steak in here because we pay good money for them steaks. Okay, them gonna go in. Those are gonna get cooked the way they're supposed to get cooked.
Oh,
okay?
what about the turkey meatballs? We can put those in there.
I have no desire to cook turkey and meatballs in here, but whatever floats your
boat. We gotta
boat.
do something. We have to try different things so that way they can know what they can put in here.
Well, they can know what to put in here is by going to buy their own air fryer. Honestly, that's how I feel. That was real crispy.
I heard a crunch.
That was real crispy.
I heard a crunch.
Don't worry about it.
That crunch was real.
Okay.